Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are good students. So today we are going to start new topic, new chapter which is related to prepositions बच्चों. So let's get started. तो पहले हम जान लेते हैं prepositions के define को बच्चों. A preposition is a word or group of words which shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun with another word in a sentence. तो बच्चों preposition जो होते हैं वैसे शब्द होते हैं, group of words होते हैं जो noun और pronoun के relationship को show करते हैं. Then बच्चों यहाँ पर दी गई है exercise भी, तो उसको भी साथ साथ complete करते रहेंगे. तो सबसे पहले हम पढ़ने वाले हैं बच्चों इसमें टॉपिक जो है preposition and adverb से related. Several words are sometimes used as preposition and sometimes as adverbs. A word is a preposition when it governs a noun or pronoun. It is an adverb when it modifies a verb. An adjective and another adverb. Example देख लेते हैं जिसमें हम देख पा रहे हैं बच्चों, पहले words देखेंगे, फिर हम देखेंगे used as adverbs के बेस पर, used as prepositions के बेस पर. जिसमें up word को पहले पढ़ेंगे बच्चों. up, the kite flew up, the lizard crawled up the wall. Off, switch off the fan, he fell off the hill. Before, I have met him before. I appeared before the judge. Out, get out of the room. On, let him go on. He sat on a stool. In, come in. He was in the hut. About, he was roaming about. She is worried about you. Along, come along. He was walking along the road. Near, come near. Sit near me. नेक्स्ट है बच्चों preposition and conjunctions के बेस पर. Conjunctions versus preposition. Words that are conjunctions can sometimes act as preposition. The conjunctions before, after and until can also act as a prepositions when they are followed by objective rather than by dependent clauses. Remember that a clause has a subject and a verb, a prepositional phrase does not. जिसके अंदर हम देख पा रहे हैं बच्चों preposition को सबसे पहले Charlie will wait here until sunset. Until connects the object of a preposition. Sunsets a noun with the clause के साथ यूज किया जा रहा है. Note, the prepositional phrase is a group of words, not one word बच्चों. कभी भी preposition जो होती है ना, preposition phrase जिसको बोला जाता है बच्चों, वो one word नहीं होता बल्कि group of words कहे जाते हैं. It will be sometime before summer. Before connects the object of the preposition summer with the clauses. After that effort, everyone doubts whether she can win. After that effort, she an adverbial phrases and after is a preposition. Then बच्चों conjunctions. Charlie will wait here until we will finish the test. Until connects the independent clause to the dependent clause. Note, Charlie will wait is connected to we finish the test. It will be some time before seasons change. Before connects it will be some time to seasons change. Then after she did so badly. Everyone doubted whether she could win. After connects she did so badly with everyone doubted whether she could win. नेक्स्ट यूज है बच्चों द करेक्ट यूज ऑफ preposition के बेस पर. सो preposition ऑफ प्लेस के लिए आप यूज करेंगे यूसेस और एग्जाम्पल भी दिए गए हैं. सबसे पहले बच्चों प्लेस के लिए वी यूज एट when we talk about a point in space and a person's home, a place of work or study के लिए. Then example at the end of the road, at the airport, at school, at home, at work, at college, at the factory, at the bakers. Next है बच्चों we use on to indicate a preposition and position covering, touching or forming part of a surface के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं. A picture on the wall, a drawing on the blackboard, a flower pot on the table, a picture on page 79. We use in to indicate a point within the area or volume of something के लिए. In hospital, in bed, in the sky, in a newspaper, in a drawer. Next, we use between to indicate that some things is in the middle of the two things के लिए. Meena is sitting between her father and mother. We use among to indicate that something is in the middle of the three or more things के लिए. The teacher is standing among the students. We use next to indicate a position immediately to one side of something. The temple is next to her house. Some other preposition of place are under, in front of, over, above, below, beside, opposite, near, etc. के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट है बच्चों positions of time. We use in when something happens in a named month or year के लिए. In July in 1996. A season or century के लिए. In summer in the 20th century. We use in for parts of the day. In the morning, in the evening के लिए. Periods of time in 10 minutes, in a few days, in 6 weeks, in 2 years. We use on with करते हैं बच्चों named day और date के साथ on Sunday, on 6 October, on New Year's Day. A named part of named day के लिए on Sunday evening, on Saturday night. वी यूज एट विद, एट किसके साथ यूज किया जाता है बच्चों, एन एग्जैक्ट टाइम के लिए एट 6 o'clock, एट 9:30 PM, फेस्टिवल्स एंड द वीकेंड्स के लिए एट क्रिसमस, एट दशहरा, एट द वीकेंड, पार्ट्स ऑफ द डे के लिए बच्चों विदाउट द, एट नाइट, एट नून, एट मिड डे, एट मिड नाइट, बट वी डोंट यूज एट, इन, ऑन, विद। दिस मॉर्निंग या फिर बच्चों दिस वीक, दिस ईयर एटसेट्रा का यूज करेंगे, नेक्स्ट मंडे, ईयर, वीक एटसेट्रा, लास्ट मंथ, अगस्त, वीक, एवरीडे, वीक, मंथ एटसेट्रा का यूज करते हैं। नेक्स्ट है बच्चों पोजीशंस ऑफ मूवमेंट्स के लिए। सो सर्टेन प्रीपोजिशंस इंडिकेट मूवमेंट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर के लिए। सम ऑफ देम आर, जहां पर एक प्लेस के लिए दूसरी के लिए बच्चों, जैसे एक प्लेस से हम दूसरी प्लेस पर जाते हैं ना, तब यूज करते हैं उसके लिए बच्चों, लाइक टू, इनटू, डाउन, अप, ऑन टू, राउंड, ऑफ, फ्रॉम, आउट ऑफ। सच प्रेपोजिशन आर यूज्ड विद वर्ब्स ऑफ मूवमेंट एज, जिसमें वॉक, गो, जंप, फ्लाई, कम, रन, क्लाइंब और स्विम का यूज करना है। नेक्स्ट है बच्चों रूल्स फॉर प्लेसिंग प्रेपोजिशन, जिसमें रूल फर्स्ट बताता है हमें, the preposition is placed at the end of the sentence when its object is in the relative pronoun that. For example, here is the pen that you asked for. This is the house that he likes in. Then rule number 2 बताता है बच्चों, the preposition is often placed at the end of a sentence when the object is an interrogative pronoun. For example, what is he searching for? What are they talking about? Rule number 3 बच्चों, no preposition is used between the following transitive verbs and their objects के लिए यूज करते हैं, जिसमें आप देख पाओगे बच्चों verb और examples भी। जिसमें order है बच्चों, he ordered my appointment, when reach, we reached Delhi on Sunday, obey, I obey my teacher, enter, he entered the room, resemble, my brother resembles you, sign this document, inform, I have informed him of my plans, and attack, he attacked his enemies, accompany, he accompanied him to his village, and request, I requested my father to buy me a camera. Then next है बच्चों words followed by specific prepositions के लिए, some words require specific preposition to connect them with the nouns or pronouns that follows them. Some words with specific preposition दिए गए हैं यहाँ पर बच्चों, जो हमेशा इनके साथ ही यूज किए जाते हैं। Then accede to, busy with, interested in, respect for, act upon, collide with, invite to, satisfied with, accustomed to, die of, junior to, search for, admit to, desire for, jealous of, shocked at, addicted to, different from, knock at, sorry for, then agree with, dismiss from, kind to, sick of, afraid of, eligible for, key to, stand by, arrive at, familiar with, known to, succeed in, ashamed of, famous for, laugh at, superior to, ally of, feed on, lame in, suffer from, astonished at, full of, listen to, sure of, believe in, fond of, married to, sympathy for, aware of, guilty of, object to, surprised at, bent on, good at, obedient to, thankful to, belong to, hope for, polite to, taste for, boast of, honest in, pleased with, true to, beware of, injurious to, prevent from, trust in, care for, inferior to, proud of, wish for, confident of, insist on, quarrel with, warn of, consist of, introduce to, related to, wonder at. देन बच्चों इसी चीज पे बेस दी गई है चैप्टर पे बेस एक्सरसाइज भी, तो वो भी खुद से कंप्लीट करेंगे। डोंट फॉरगेट टू कंप्लीट दोज बच्चों।